Grew up in Western Maine, and I'd always dreamed about being out west, and not a lot of open plains here in Maine, so decided I could do it on the water.
We're heading down to Mount Desert Island to do some sea kayaking along the coast of Maine.
This is the fun part.
Welcome to my office.
Paddling along the Porcupine Island chain is just amazing.
Seeing all the wildlife out here, it kind of rejuvenates your soul.
It makes you kind of respect your position in the world. I've always felt a real close connection with being on the water. It's like the water is just removing stress from your body. It's flowing by you, but it's almost as though it's like taking all those negative vibes away, and you just all of a sudden feel rejuvenated. Being out there paddling made me succumb to the beauty that's out there. I enjoy the sport of kayaking. Great vehicles get out there in the natural world, but it's also a hell of a lot of fun. Without taking some risk, we don't grow. Don't miss an opportunity. Don't take things for granted. It's a big world here. It changes day after day.
Time to go home, folks.
My name is Dave Legere, and this is my Nature Valley.